morning everyone, it's Stuart here, how you all doing? I'm in my little studio here at the Drum Lounge. So first of all, I hope you're all doing okay, I hope you're all keeping safe and staying at home. This video is just a little announcement. I would like to proudly announce I'm an official ambassador for a new drum company called Drumhead. Okay, I would like to give a big shout out to Dylan at the company for looking after me and sending me through some of the cool products that they have. So if you haven't heard of them, they're called Drumhead and they produce some cool drum clothing. So for all you drummers out there and you're looking for some new drum clobber, I think this is the place to go. So my parcel arrived this morning and I've literally just taken this straight out of the box. As you can see, the wee label's still on, so let's give it a wee try and see how it fits. Feels good. So that's the standard cap, the Drumhead cap. Awesome stuff. And I think I have one more thing in here, which is the little Drumhead beanie. Let's give that a wee go. Brilliant. Looks cool. Okay, so yeah, if you want to check him out, you can go to Official Drumhead, his Instagram page, and for all my followers, if you're interested in getting some of this cool drum clothing, you can all get 10% off by using the code Stuart10. Okay guys, so again, I hope you're all okay, stay home and keep safe. Cheers.